Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Mega High Tech Systems and you're on to Learn with Saint Benson. Would you believe that everything you're seeing here are fake? Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this particular video, how I made these realistic 3D images of the studio and of myself, and how I made it to talk. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button, press the notification button, and also do please share this video so that others can also learn from it. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to ChatGPT. Open your browser and type ChatGPT, then you click on this. Alright, now you see this plus sign here, you click on it. Now if you want to use your picture, your image, you click on it, click on this particular plus sign, then you add a photo, click on add photo, then go to where you have your photo. Alright, I want to add this particular image here, so I'll click on it. So you allow it to load. Okay, it is fully uploaded now. So I have to give ChatGPT a prompt. So I'll give ChatGPT a prompt. I'll say, with this image, generate a slick 3D realistic modern recording studio filled with high-end audio equipment, soundproof walls, LED lighting, and a large computer monitor displaying audio waveforms. A man in his 30s wearing a casual yet stylish clothes, blah 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 blah. All right, now when you give just what you want ChatGPT to display for you, so when you give this prompt, I'm going to change this particular one, this large computer monitor. I don't want this. The man in his 30s, casual stylish. Okay. Okay, so I've given ChatGPT a prompt. So you go on and click on this particular arrow here to generate. Now this is the picture that we uploaded. Now ChatGPT will use this picture to generate a 3D realistic image of the prompt I gave to it. Alright, so we'll wait for it to generate. And boom, we've gotten it has generated this particular picture. So the next thing we need to do now is to download this particular image that ChatGPT has generated. So you click on this one to download. Okay, you type hydrate.ai, then just click on this particular one. Then if you are not registered, just register with your email.
So you go ahead and register with your email. Type in your email, then you put your password, then confirm the password and click on create. So there is a code that will be sent to your email, the Gmail you use in opening or creating this account. Go to that Gmail, copy the code, and come back to confirm. So you copy that code to authenticate your account. You just have to be patient because it's a free version, so it's kind of slow because it's free. If you have money, and I'll say you can go ahead and subscribe for the paid version. So you go ahead and log in after you have created your account. I guess I entered the wrong password. Okay, go ahead, just log in to your account. Right, click on that dot there, click on the other third, and log in. Alright, this is what you find. Now you go to this particular one here that says video, click on it. Here you have two plus here where you have plus and plus. So go to the second plus, click it to upload your image. Click on upload image. It's going to return you back. Click on I consent. You are agreeing to the terms. Click on the second plus, upload image. Then go to the image that you want to use. I'm using this particular one. That's the one we generated from ChatGPT. Okay, then paste it there. Make sure it's on 720. Then you can give it a prompt, a man singing. Then when you're done, just go to the second plus to upload your click on it to upload your audio. Click on the audio you want to add to the image. Then you go down and click add to video. Then you wait for it to generate. Just be patient for it to generate. And very soon we'll see our video that has been generated. It can take some time anyway because it's a free version. It takes time. If you want it very quick, you can subscribe to the pro version. Wow, that's been generated, and that is how you create this 3D image on Hydra. So guys, if you got value from this video, please do share and subscribe to this channel. Hello guys. Welcome back to Mega High Tech Systems, and you are on